What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 black and white photo printer for the money. Whether it's your office, home, or any academic as well as professional work, a printer is perhaps one of the most crucial things you need by the side. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 black and white photo printer for the money. Number 1. Canon PIXMA 9620 black and white photo printer for the money. If you want your business ideas to receive plenty of attention, this business printer is the right one for you. This machine is highly compatible with the operating system. It will also work on Mac OS X 10.6.8 and version 10.9. The PIXMA 9620 will provide an exceptional printing detail and comes with maximum and high-quality color DPI. It's ideal for all types of workplaces and will support 11x17 spreadsheets. Print web pages and documents much faster. Number 2. Canon PIXMA TR4520 black and white photo printer for the money. This is another star product from Canon. With the PIXMA TR4520 printer, faxing, printing and scanning will become a lot easier for you. What blew me off was the size of this particular printer. The printer comes with a two-sided printing option. This is one of the things which makes PIXMA TR4520 a lot more unique than the rest of the printers. Apart from that, the entire printer is wireless. Also, the printer will work with Alexa as well. Number 3. HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 black and white photo printer for the money. The printer orders the actual HP ink each month right before it runs out, being the best B&W photo printer. It's guaranteed that you have a smooth and easy printing experience. You can also connect with the HP app to make the printing. This particular product is wireless, but also comes with an inbuilt USB system and Ethernet. Doing so will automatically do the printing within the given time. Apart from that, the printer is highly compatible. Number 4. Epson Expression Photo HD XP 15000 black and white photo printer for the money. Epson is a well-known company that provides some of the best and high-advanced printers of all time. If you want to take photo printing to a brand new level, You can do so with Expression Photo HD X9-15000. It also has an inbuilt Ethernet option that supports two-sided document printing with a 200-sheet front tray. You will also receive firmware updates for the printer. Carries a simple setup and navigation. Number 5. HP OfficeJet 3830 Black and White Photo Printer for the money. Take a look at this OfficeJet 3830 printer. It's not just a printer, but an ultimate time saver. You can use this printer both for your home and office. Comes with a 35-page automatic document feeder. This is one of the best printers for black and white photos, as it will give you rich and world-class photos. The printer will provide you with borderless printing. The printer will also work just fine with operating systems.